but for anybody that is new to Sentinel, we're just going to do a brief introduction so that everybody's on the same page. So obviously Sentinel is Microsoft's latest, or I should say latest, new cloud native Siemens source solution, one of the first, or the first cloud native solution out there. It's been available for over a year now, so just over a year. And really what it provides you with is a unified view of your security posture across all facets, whether that's Azure, whether that's other cloud environments, whether that's on premise. It covers all of your workloads across modern workplace and Azure. So key thing as well, that it delivers instant value to your defenders. So there's hundreds of built-in dashboards, queries, analytics, playbooks that you have basically at your fingertips, a number of out-of-the-box solutions that you can plug in straight away and start using. It helps you to scale and support your growing digital estate with the out-of-the-box connectors that Microsoft are adding to all of the time. I think there's another 25, 30 connectors that have been added this month alone, or at least in this quarter alone from Microsoft. It means you can plug and play across numerous parts of your digital estate with regards to security and Sentinel monitoring. And the key part is it uses AI and automation to improve your team's or your security team's effectiveness. So using that and leveraging that is really important. If you've got a large environment, the amount of data that you're going to be collecting is quite significant. It's going to be a huge amount. Actually using AI and automation and machine learning to be able to cut through the noise and really focus on the elements that are really important, and we'll be covering more of that further on in the webinar, is really important and really useful to help your security teams be able to focus on what's really important, and that's keeping your organization secure. So it really is an important tool to help that operational efficiency. In terms of taking you through the Microsoft cybersecurity reference architecture, here we're just going to really cover some sort of theory. So what security events are, what security incidents are. So security event is any occurrence related to assets or the environment itself, indicating compromise of policies, a failure of controls, or any unmapped situation that can impact your security. And then an incident is one or more information security events that compromise your business from an operational perspective, or the actual data and information that you have. So those are two things that obviously Sentinel covers and runs through. And on the right hand side, basically, it's just an understanding of your traditional environment. So looking at what assets you have, so servers, storage, data centers, end user devices, across identity and access management. So your user credentials, your logins, particular access, your remote working, for example, which is a big thing at the moment. Governance and frameworks, so security operations, your auditing, any third parties that you're working with, using things like the secure score as well to guide your security, and then any data and application protection, so web security, GDPR of your data, data at rest, encryption, information protection, all those things. But all of these elements basically have great operational value in terms of security, from either creating metrics or remediating security problems, but essentially they are just individual components, and Sentinel will basically work across the entirety of this and far reaches any of those solutions on their own to be able to give you that full all-encompassing security tool that helps your security efficiency and effectiveness.